Hey y'all, good morning, good evening, whenever you're watching this video. I'm Rachel and welcome to Real Estate with Rachel. Today we're going over the home buying process. Step 1, get pre-approved. In order to get pre-approved, all you have to do is speak with the lender. It'll take about 10 minutes. They'll get some basic info from you and they'll let you know exactly how much home you're approved for. Step 2. You'll meet with me, your realtor, and I'll go over this exact process with you in person, and you'll sign what's called a buyer broker agreement. This basically hires me as your agent. It allows me to show you homes and pull the documents and allow you to actually purchase the home. The funny thing is, I work for you, but you don't pay me. The seller actually pays me once the home is purchased. So after you get pre-approved and you hire me as your agent, the next step will be to start searching for homes. Step 4, the home buying process. Write an offer. At this time, you would give me what is called an earnest money deposit, or EMD for short. This is basically a $500 to $1,000 check that shows the seller that you are serious about purchasing this home. Now, the check won't be cashed until after the offer is ratified. So once I draw up all the paperwork and you sign everything and we send it over to the seller, one of 3 things will happen. The offer will either be rejected, meaning they don't want anything to do with it. They could counter the offer, meaning they might change a few things within the offer and then you can be ratified. Or it's ratified and it means you're ready to move to the next step. The next step is the home inspection. One of the most important steps. Do not skip the home inspection. I don't care if it's a new construction, whatever. Do not skip the home inspection. This will let you know exactly what you're getting into, and this also is a time when if it's too much and you're not feeling the house, this is the last time you can get out of the contract and not be sued. Now, once the home is inspected, we will send the repairs that you would like the seller to make over to the seller, and they will either agree to make those repairs or they won't. And if they agree to not make the repairs, this is the time when you can get out of the contract. Once the repairs are agreed upon, you have the termite and moisture inspection, we're going to order the appraisal. Basically, the lender is going to appraise the home to make sure that the home is worth the amount that you're going to spend on it. They're not going to lend you more money than what the home is worth. Go figure. So after the appraisal is ordered, the fun part comes. We're going to do a walkthrough. This is usually done the day before or the morning of closing. We're going to go through the entire property to make sure it's the way you left it, or better. If there were repairs that the seller was supposed to make, we're going to make sure they did them. You can actually have the home inspector come back out and re-inspect the property, because sometimes it's a repair that's under the house, and I'm not going to go under the house and check. You might want to go under there and check, but I'm not going to. So we're going to re-inspect the home, walk through, make sure everything is done that was supposed to be done, make sure it's all neat and in order, and then we're going to go to closing. The last thing you have to do before you can move into your home. You sign a stack of papers about this thick. You would purchase your title insurance. You would pay your closing costs and a down payment if you have one. And then you get your keys, you take pictures, you celebrate, you move in. You just bought a house. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can email me at upgraderealtor@gmail.com. I'm Rachel and I hope you all have a great day. Bye. See you on the next one.